Discover the next generation 3D digital microscope. ARveo 8X redefines digital visualization and expands your possibilities in neurosurgery, spine surgery, plastic and reconstructive surgery. Experience a new level of exoscopic surgery with MyVeo, the all-in-one surgical headset. Stay focused with a unified visual experience right in front of your eyes. See the white light image. Glow 800 augmented reality fluorescence application. IGS overlays. And external video signals. Maximize your surgical comfort with heads-up surgery displayed on a large monitor. With a single 3D view for all, residents can see the surgery in real time and in 3D resolution. Freely select from the 3 interchangeable viewing options for ARveo 8X. Enjoy optimized views adapted to your needs. See more with less refocusing. FusionOptics delivers an expanded full focus area. Observe deep and narrow cavities with small angle illumination. Keep a sharp focus during movement with a SpeedSpot laser reference. Ensure patient safety with advanced illumination that optimizes light intensity relative to the working distance and automatically adapts the diameter of the field of illumination to avoid tissue burns outside your focus area. ARveo 8X redefines digital visualization and empowers you to perform surgery precisely thanks to the freedom and flexibility of this powerful ecosystem.